Hello friends, Bihar GK for Bihar APO exam. When was the region of Bihar separated from Bengal? 1st April 1912. Where is Ek Paira Chor located? Kishanpur. Where does Bihar stand in the country based on its area? 13th. Which is the largest oxbow lake in Asia? Kanwar Lake, Begusarai. The Stone Age inscription of Dharmpal founded in Bodh Gaya mention in person who built a Shiva temple were named the person Kesav. Where and when is the largest cattle fair in Asia organized? Sonpur, Kartik Purnima. Where is the railway plant in Bihar located? Bela, Daryapur, Saran. Where did the sculptor Dhiman and his son Bitpal of Pal era belong to? Nalanda? What was the total number of commercial bank in Bihar till the end of March 2016? 661. Which period is the earliest to use metal coin? Buddha period 6th century BC. According to the Junagadh inscription of the Rudra Daman, what was the name of the hill of which Sudarshan Lake was built? Ujjayant Hill, Gujarat. Khadar soil is deficient in which nutrients? Nitrogen. What is the total number in Rajya Sabha from Bihar after the formation of Jharkhand? 16. When did the Bihar government start the Yukti Yojana? 23rd April 2011. What is the Nava Nalanda Mahavir renowned for? Pali Research Institute. Who has been referred to an Amritrosets or Amrit Ghat, meaning is liar of the enemies by the Greeks? Bindusar. In whose court of Patliputra did the Greek ambassador and the author of Indica Megasthenes arrive? Chandragupta Maurya. Where is the Ghoka Lake located? Manihari, Katihar. Who led the Karwar movement? Bhagiratha Majhi. Who built the Sudarshan Lake? Chandragupta Maurya with Pusya Gupta. Where does the Khon tribe reside? The Bihar. Bhojpur, Sohabad. When was the Khuda Baksh Library founded? 5th October 1891. What is the total number of Lok Sabha member from Bihar? 40. Which actor is also known as Bihari Babu? Shatrughan Sinha. Where was the 12th session of Bihar Provincial Conference held from 18 to 29 August 1920? Bhagalpur. All human are my children was the statement which ruler? Ashoka. The book Chandogya Dusghati is the composed by whom? Vireshwar Thakur. What is the author name of Patthar Ki Masjid, Mosque of Stone situated in Patna? Sangi Masjid. Where is the Bharat Vegan Engineering Company located? Mokama, Patna. Which Gupta king was adopted the title of Vikramaditya? Chandragupta Dwitiya. Which hymn and part mandal of the Rig Veda describe the class system? Purush Sukta 10th part. Who succeeded Dharmpal as the ruler of Paldan city? Who has appointed as the ruler of Kannauj by Dharampal? Chakrayudh. Who introduced the concept of rolling plan is the economy developing national for the first time? Gurab Mirdan. What is the literacy rate of Bihar according to 2011 census? 63.82%. Which place was the main center of Islamic religion and culture in the 15th century? Jaunpur. Who led the revolt 1857 in Bihar? Kunwar Singh. Which district Bihar will be most benefited to Koyakaro project in Jharkhand? Aurangabad. When was the Planning Commission of India established? In March 1950. When was Bihar State Khadi Gramodyog founded? In 1956. Which archaeological sites show the presence of iron around 1050 BC? Atrajikara, Uttar Pradesh. Where was the third World Conference on Disaster Risk Reduction held from 14 to 18 March 2050? Sendai, Japan. What is the strength of Bihar Legislative Council after the formation of Jharkhand 75? Which place is Patna was selected in break the SALT law 16th April 1930? Nakas Pind. In 1958, which company secured a monopoly saltpeter trade in Bihar? British East India Company. Where is a mention that the king of Vidya gave away gold coin and cows as gift? Brihadaranyaka Upanishad. Who president over the 12th Bihar Provincial Conference held for 1829 August 1920? Dr. Rajendra Prasad. In the year 1930, Patna was the important center for which religious movement? Wahhabi movement. According of 2011 census, what percentage population of Bihar reside in cities? 11.30%. After the death of Kunwar Singh, who became the leader of revolt in 1857 in Bihar? Amar Singh. Which kingdom and their fellow landlord provided monetary and personal assistance to the British in 1857? Darbhanga, Dumrao, Hatua. Which oil field had been connected to Barauni oil refinery through a pipeline? Nahar, Katia, Assam. What is the total strength of Bihar Legislative Assembly after the formation of Jharkhand 243? Dhiman and his son Bitpal were a contemporary which Pal ruler? Dharmpal and Devpal. Who was the Governor General of India during the revolt of 1857? Lord Canning. Bihar is the principal of producer of which mineral research? Pyrat. Which act gave the right over the land of the tenant in Bihar and Bengal? Bengal Tenancy Act 1885. Who spearheaded the Munda revolt in 1899-19? Birsa Munda. Which land ownership system was barred through the Chota Nagpur Tenancy Act 1908? Kutkatti system. Who were the representative Bihar in the Lucknow session of Congress in 1916? Rajkumar Shukla and Braj Kishore Prasad. Which college was established Gandhiji in 1921 in Patna, Bihar? Vidyapit. The 37th session Congress, which was the president of Chittaranjan Das in 1922, was held at which place in Bihar? Gaya. Where in Bihar NTPC regulated Kahalgaon thermal power plant situated? Bhagalpur. The formal announcement of formation of which party was made at the Anjuman Islamia Hall at the Patna in 1984? Indian Congress Specialist Party. How many seats were allocated of the Legislative Assembly and Legislative Council of Bihar respectively under the 1935 Act 152 and 30 respectively? Where is the beryllium found in Bihar? Gaya. Who was the appointed of the first non-government Vice Chancellor of Patna University? Sachidanand Sinha. Where was the 53 session and Congress 1950 held? Ramgarh, Jharkhand. Whereas the Rajendra Prasad jailed during Quit India movement? Bakipur jail. Where did the Secretary's masquerade take place in Bihar on 11th August 1942? Patna. Who was the appointed of the Chief Minister of Bihar in 1946? Sri Krishna Singh. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the Minister of which department in the interim government? Food and Agriculture. Who was the appointed of the President Indian National Congress post independent in the November 1947? Dr. Rajendra Prasad. What was the strength of Bihar Legislative Assembly in 1952? 331. Which decade recorded the highest population growth rate of Bihar? 1991-2001, 28.62%. Who was elected as the Speaker Bihar Legislative Assembly in 20th July 1937? Professor Abdul Bari. Which district in Bihar recorded the least population growth rate in the decade 2001-2011? Gopalganj 18.3%. Which district Bihar recorded highest population growth rate of the decade of 2001 2012, 2001 to 2011? Madhepura 30.65%. 30.65%. Which is the expected share of Bihar state gross domestic producer at the fiscal deficit for the financial year 2017-18? 2.8%. Which state provided coal in Barauni thermal power station, Jharkhand? Kataiya small hydro power plant in a part of which river project? Koshi. In which year did Ajatasattu assassinate his father Bimbisar, become the ruler of Magad for 493 BC? In which year did the rail transport start in Bihar? 1860 AD. Buddhist holy scriptures are commonly known as the what name? Tripitaks. What is the total population Bihar according with census of 2011? 1040 1040 99 452. Which river group divided the boundary of the Bihar and Uttar Pradesh? Karmnasha, Gandak, and Ghagra. Which British commander was defeated in Santhalam 1855? Major Bureau. In which region of Bihar is the Karwa tribe founded? Rohtas. The bronze statue Buddhist architecture were especially of which period? Pal era. Who is the leader of the Council of Ministers in State? Chief Minister. By which name of Bakhtiyar Khilji, also known as Kaji Ikhtiar? Gaji Ikhtiar. When and where was the first Buddhist council organized? 483 BC, Rajgir. What was the reason of sorrow being referred in Buddhism? Pratigya Samutpad. When was the Kalinga War fought? 261 BC. Where was the name of the ruler of Kaushal Mohenjo-daro with the whom Ajatasattu fought a battle of Koshi? Prasenjit. What is the future? What is the tenure of the Council of Ministers? 5 years. What was the name of mother of Mahavir? Trishla Vidyadatta. When was the Chandravadi Museum in Darbhanga established? In 1957. Who was the last ruler of Karnat dynasty? Hari Singh. Which river joined the Ganga to the south? Punpun. What was the tax levied for the protection cattle in the Mauryan era called Vivid?